India, the land of yoga, a sign of inner beauty. A land with beautiful deserts, holy river, and of course, the Taj. From the cold air of Himalayas, through the warm tea mountains, the largest democratic country in the world is decorated with multicolors, festivals, and religions. Meditate, or just enjoy the art and calmness with Ayurveda. The traditional architecture makes this country more beautiful and fascinating. The colors of India are spicy. From the street food to the multi-cuisine, from the handcrafts to the modern research. Everything is there. Everything is here. Yes, here in India.